I'm at the Åre Bike Festival. Unfortunately, I crashed the first day and yeah, injured my hand a bit on a front flip. That was a bit unnecessary. Now I'm on the hill again. I can ride and yeah, I'm gonna do some very cool laps now. Let's go. My crew wanted to go all the way to the top, but it's so hard to me to brake with the front fingers. I'm gonna do some jump lines actually. I think yeah, it's way more fun. So there is some very, very cool ones here. So this one here, it's my favorite jump line. Could be my favorite one in Sweden actually. Just need to take it a bit chill with the hand, but it feels pretty good to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, and the bike feels insane. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. So sick. Okay, so the rest of the track is here. This part is actually so playful. Yo. So many cool side hits here. Okay, next part coming up. This one has an insane bone log here. Actually very sick. Pretty cool. Huge berm. Yo, here's some insane jeeps. Ah! And a banana box, shark fin. This one is cool. So many nice lips. Wow! Yeah, those features are so fun. Some side hits. Yeah. Okay, dropping in for the rest. Actually, we're changing to a blue line now because they're doing an event on the other one, but this one is also very flowy and pretty cool. We're just gonna skip the boring parts actually and get to the fun things. Okay, this is actually one of my favorite parts here. Some wood action, some small drops. so nice. I'm so stoked I could do some laps. I didn't think after the crash I was gonna be able to ride, but yeah, it feels pretty good now. And we actually did some cool things during the festival, like a jam session with marine bikes on the dirt jams. I couldn't ride then, but yeah, we saw some really cool tricks by the kids, which was nice. And also today we did a photo shoot with reverse components in one of the jump lines, which also ended up being very cool. I'm gonna try to find other people in my gang and do some follow cams, do some steezy tricks would be very nice. And then we have a whip-off slash best trick event on the square here in Åre. And yeah, I will see if I can do some tricks there. Would be nice to maybe have a redemption on a front flip, but on the mulch then. Definitely will try out the setup and see how it feels. Okay, huge training wingman, follow cam on me. Let's drop in.
Ride fast. Okay. Fast and hard.
Okay, so they're doing a race, so we need to chill a bit. soon we can drop in again.
Ja, nu kan ni skynda ner här.
Ja, tack. Hej Lalle! I definitely would have did a front brake there, but it worked. Illa, hur känner du inför whip-hoppen då?
Stort.
Nice, ska du göra mycket whips?
Ja, så in i helvete.
Vad nice. Isak, ska du whippa något?
Stört mycket whips.
Nice, och du då Thomas, ska du whippa?
Galet mycket whips.
Exactly. I think everyone is just gonna do tricks, to be honest. Maybe there's some people doing whips, but I think it's a jam session with best trick, some whips, some I don't even know, but yeah, let's drop in and see how it works. Lucas, ska du göra tricks eller whips?
Du vet hur bra jag är på whips.
Hej, så det blir mycket whips. Okej, nice. Ja. Ah! Är det okej? Är det lugnt? Shit alltså. Such a sick jam session actually, and I want to do a redemption on the front flip. I mean, this jump is a bit more chill with the landing, and yeah, I have tape.
Du är söt.
Are you gonna go for the double front or just drag fronts or?
I do a straight front first and then I'll see, but
Crazy that everyone is like, oh, Max is here, he's gonna do the double front, and like every kid has been telling me that, but yeah, we'll see then. A lot of
we'll
pressure.
see. Yeah, let's see.
Well done. Yeah!
Jävla snyggt!
Tack!
Ja, då har vi lockt in fokus på en åkare. Backflip nå, han är back.
Yeah! Nice! Är det lugnt? Wow! Är det okej? Shit alltså. Är det okej alltså? Ja. Ja, fan nice. Shit. Trillade du? Nej.
Touching jag stod här, så stod det bakom fram.
Nice.
I just saw you flashing like this, and like when I was already flipping.
I just saw everyone in a pile in the landing when I came there. I was like, ah! Det är lugnt Alma, det var bra.
Var inte det lite läskigt eller?
Jo, det var lite läskigt alltså. Yeah. Hey.
Lost my phone in the boat.
No, really? Cade lost his phone in the mouth. So funny searching for it.
De har bjudit på allt man kan tänka dig.
cool that they ended the whip-off here at in the middle of the square in Åre. And insane week. I'm stoked I can ride again, and my hand feels pretty good from the crash. And yeah, see you soon again.
City boy with a country swing. First we went from the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days. Lived through it all, but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm